All right. So I was contemplating whether to come in or not today, just because it's also another bad start to the week. I guess BLPH is the only one that looks really good. Let's see. It has to hold this level though. If it breaks below, then I'm just not having it. It's let me see. It's almost triple topped here at this level around 375. So that's like our biggest spot of resistance so far. Pre-market, it like I said, it triple top there for a second. We have support around this level, but then if it breaks that level and continues on a downwards trend, then we have support around 340, 350. I do like how it's setting up here though, so I might get in at VWAP close to here. The only thing is 5 minute. The 5 minute looks really good. I like how it looks, but I don't like the MACD. And that's what's making me contemplate right now whether it's even worth it. So, high this candle 63. If anything, I'm kind of thinking this might be a false break. There's 66. And we're back down to 58 now. I mean, it's kind of holding. It hasn't rejected massively or anything yet. 5 minute looks like it's curling here a little bit. Curious to see whether this is just gonna rip or if it's just gonna hold this level. You already have a seller stacked up here at 67. You have another one stacked up at 70. So there's a market order all the way to 43 here. Not sure what that's about. So we're back to 55. So this one, just like all the other stocks so far, are pretty choppy. Let's go ahead and look at our other stocks on watch. So we got GNFT. GNFT is another one we had on watch. Again, it's below VWAP. I'm not really feeling these. If it's below VWAP this week at all, I'm just not feeling it. Same with this one, SPRB. I don't know, not feeling it. ALZN, too low of a price for me. Not feeling that either. BKKT, choppy, massive rejection there. What the hell is that? From 70 all the way to 930. BLPH finally broke that level. So hit 70. We're gonna get a push to 75 and then a rejection, or is this actually gonna take off? So we have 72 there for a second. $72 all the way back to 54 now. 53, 50. Massive rejection all the way to 42. 38. Jesus, man. This is the market that we're in, unfortunately. It's just so trash. XFOR, I do like this one actually. It has a gap to fill here at, let me see. High of this candle is 304, low of this candle is 69. So it has about a 65-cent range here. Whether it'll fill that gap, no idea. But I do like the 1 minute setup here as well as the 5 and 10 minute. They look pretty strong. But high red volume in here. Seller stacked to 88 here. Not a big one, but there's 98. So they're stacking up here. There's 90, and then now there's a bunch over here at 98, 99. I don't know. It has a good amount of volume, I guess, but float on it's 20 million. GNFT, the float on that's 43 million. So that's pretty high. But that one's popping on the scans as well. So here, I can probably get in on this one for the break of check the MACDs and everything. Okay. I could potentially get in here for the break of its last 1 minute high. I want to see that 1 minute move here. Okay, that's why I don't want to buy it yet. Kind of contemplating right now because it opened pretty low. I don't like the way it finished there, but there's 5 cents. If I got in at 90, I would be up 5 cents. My overall target would be going for the break of 3, but you really have sellers stacked up at 97 there. The 5-minute high would be 304 right now, I think. 305. That's what I'd be going for primarily. But it should have done it in that candle. If this one even breaks that 1-minute low, then I'm just not even watching this. A lot of red going through there. So potentially this is the one to do it. So I bought in here at 91. What's the situation? What's going to happen? 92, 94. Hasn't broken yet. Should have broken easily. So you rip through 3 here. There's 94 again. 95 for a second. So double top at 95. We still got 30 more seconds. Want to see 96, 97, 3, whatever. And then a rip through 3. But the way that's acting right here, I would have most likely already sold for a break-even trade. Huge buyers stacked up here. What happened? And now they moved. That was weird to see. Crazy. But now there's a 2200 I guess seller stack there. It's actually 220,000, but that's insane. So rejection. Guess it's a good thing I didn't take that trade. Didn't want to see that. So X4, kind of done with this one. GNFT. Can't type. I like GNFT here if it can actually crawl towards VWAP of 450, but it's at 435 right now, and 450 is 15 cents away. Is it worth holding for 15 cents? I don't think so. Like, I honestly don't think so. So, not gonna trade this one. I don't feel like going through what I went through the other day with GNTX or something. Look at this one. Extremely choppy here. BLPH. 5-minute doesn't look pretty good at all. 10-minute looks good. I mean, the 5-minute does look good on the chart, but the MACD doesn't have me convinced at all. I feel like, especially with the way it's been rejecting here these past couple candles, I'm not feeling this one. The way it's been going all week, not feeling it. ADGI. I was watching this one pre-market. I don't know. I wasn't having it. It did make a nice move here, and then it pulled, had like a sideways consolidation pullback, made another move, and then it just started dropping from there. And once it broke this level, I didn't think it was gonna do much stuff. So within the first minute here, yeah, I could have traded it, and that would have been a solid trade for the break all the way to 17 there. But now it's just rejecting its levels, and it can't hold. So no, this would have been the one, I think, if it would have held, but obviously not. It's rejecting. Hmm. Yeah, I guess I don't know. I don't know, guys. I guess that's gonna be it today. I already lost a good amount this week. I'm basically break even on the week. If anything, I'm down like a couple dollars or down like $10 or something. Um, so I don't know. This week had a couple. Well, I had one good trade and then several bad trades in a row. So I wasn't. Actually, no. I think I'm down a lot more. What am I talking about? Yeah, I think I'm down a lot on this week, like 100 something actually. I don't know. Either way, started off good. lucky trade Monday, everything was going pretty cool, I guess. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, forget about it. Lost such a loss, such a loss there. And I don't know. We're gonna have to wait till next week, see what happens next week. Market's been taking a dive here ever since well, I don't want to say ever since Jerome Powell came out, but things haven't been so hot since then for sure. Market's on a dive right now. So hopefully next week will be better, but as of right now, I think I'm just done trading. No trades today just because of that. Like, there's nothing moving, and if there is something moving, it's a pop and drop, it's take profits quick type of market right now, and there's just nothing moving in the right direction. I would like to take shorts, but I know my broker restricts a bunch of stocks. Like, they're not easy to borrow for me. So, and even then, the slow price action is what I'm working with here. So whether it would be worth it or not, no idea. But for example, on ADGI, probably. I mean, if I could have got in here at 1450 for this break of this 1 minute low and just rode that momentum here, then yeah, that would have been awesome to get in on a short position. But again, I don't think this is easy to borrow for me usually. Majority of the time, it's the higher price stocks that are easy to borrow for me. So it's whatever. Anyway, with that being said, I will see you guys next week on Monday. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try to get a trade review out whenever I can. Might be this weekend. I still have my real estate exam to study for, and I should be taking it tomorrow. And I do have plans this Sunday. So I'm going to try my best to get this out. However, if I don't, I have somebody working on these things for me on the background. We're currently, in the works of having someone do this for me, like editing and all that, just because I don't have the time necessarily because of my study or whatever. So I'm going to try and get these videos out as best or as soon as possible, just because I think they're important, not only for myself, but for those who care to watch them and feel they're learning something from them. As I've shown in my previous recap, I have been improving through, I guess, revision of my trades and everything. By reviewing all my trades, going back and see what I'm doing. I mean, I saw improvement, change in strategy and everything. So, I don't know. I'll try to get it out as soon as possible. Anyway, I will see you guys next week.